Hi friends, in the WordPress question and answer series video, I am going to cover a very common question that we usually get at our iCreate program. So here you can also ask your question. So I am going to address a very common question, which is the fastest and most user-friendly WordPress theme for WooCommerce. I got a very common question here that which is the fastest theme, which is the easiest theme for an e-commerce website using WooCommerce, of course. So, though it is very difficult to find a single name to answer this question, and I cannot take a single name, and I cannot assure you that this is going to be the fastest theme for your WooCommerce website, because the fast and the speed of any WordPress website having WooCommerce or without WooCommerce depends on multiple factors. But yes, I'm going to cover this question in this video and will show you which can be a best option in terms of fastest and easy to use WordPress theme for an e-commerce website that is using WooCommerce. So let us find the most suitable answer. So I'll show you a website, demo website, of course. Look at this website. This is an e-commerce website with WooCommerce functionality. And let me refresh this page to show you the speed. Yes. And if I open a product, you can see the speed. So this website uses Shoptimizer WooCommerce WordPress theme. And this can be one of the fastest loading WooCommerce theme. So how it became the fastest and why this theme is loading super fast in a super fast manner, and how it became so lightweight that we can consider this theme to use if we are willing to have a super fast and high speed, high performing, high conversion website. Let me open the official website of this Shoptimizer. What is written over there? Let us study. Here it is. So the Shoptimizer WordPress theme is coming from the Commerce Gurus, and I must tell you this theme is, as I know, this is not available at themeforest.net. But yes, you can get this theme through the official website of Commerce Gurus, that is Shoptimizer. What is the slogan? Optimize your WooCommerce store for the speed and conversion with Shoptimizer. Shoptimizer is a fast WooCommerce theme that comes with a ton of features, all designed to help you convert more users to customers. Okay, so live demos can be seen here, and I have already installed this theme, and this is my live website with the Shoptimizer. I'll show you all the steps, don't worry. Be with me until the end of this video. And before we start further discussion, I would like to welcome all new visitors on this channel, and also wish to convey my great thanks to all existing subscribers and regular visitors of this channel. So let us move forward. And this is Shoptimizer, and this can be considered as the fastest and easiest WordPress theme. So this is in my opinion, and I'm just studying the official website. Why Shoptimizers? So these are some USPs that you can also study at your own. The fastest e-commerce theme. Speed is essential. A delay of even milliseconds equals lost orders. So we have benchmarked Shoptimizer against the most popular WooCommerce theme in the industry. And this is some score metrics. So Google page speed 91%, 96% speed grade at GT metrics, and the Lighthouse 100% speed grade. So it is very rare. And the web page test E grade speed grade. So why? How it became? It uses minified and critical CSS that is created automatically. So Shoptimizer includes a speed related theme option which include automatic minification of the main CSS file for super fast loading. So this can be a very main reason, and we are going to get incredible speed scores. So we can check here. I am very much impressed with the score grades that I can see on the screen. So incredible speed scores. Designed for conversions. Conversion optimized theme for your store is important in that it can multiply your success without having to spend more time and money on traffic acquisition. So these are some details like request, callback feature, and like additional product information that we can check and get with the product listing, sticky product details on the scroll. Some advanced features are also here. We trust bases at crucial stages. Okay, that is fine. These are the bases, and include single product FOMOS. And this is it is easy to include a timer sales countdown on each product along with an animated stock counter to persuade customers to buy. So this is FOMOS and fear to lose missing like thing. So okay, and add side ups. So these are SEO enhancements are here. These are features use impact on SEO ranking and all that. Okay, so I'm not going to read this screen further. You can definitely read this. I'm going to add this link in the description of this video. So my main concern is to answer the question, which is the fastest and most user-friendly WordPress theme for WooCommerce. So if we consider it Shoptimizer as the fastest WordPress theme, and this is the website that we got, I'm going to show you very quickly how we can easily install this theme and what are the feature laying inside. So since I have already installed this theme, I'm going to reset this installation. So I have already WP reset with me. I'm going to reset this installation, and I'll also show you a very important factor that decides the speed of website, especially for an e-commerce website, that is hosting. So which hosting I am using, and with the hosting plan that I am using, the hosting parameters that I am using, what is the outcome. And even if you can go with the same hosting plan or similar hosting plans. So the theme is reset and website is reset. There is no theme here. I'm going to add default theme first. So it is going to be very simple. It is not for you. You can proceed with the core and basic installation of WordPress. So even I repeat these words, core and basic installation. What does it means? In every video I used to say, there should not be any plugin. So I'm using WP Reset Pro. In your case, there should not be any plugin here on this plugin screen. And if we talk about themes, there should only one default WordPress theme. So latest default WordPress theme is 2024. And if you might be getting the updated one like 2025 or so, there should be only one default theme. So this can be considered as core and fresh installation. No other thing installed, no additional feature, no additional plugin. This is core structure of WordPress website. So I'm going to refresh this page. So this is the website that is using 2024 WordPress theme by default, and it is not using any plugin. So we are going to install the Shoptimizer WordPress theme. How easy it is really to check. So I was talking about the hosting that I am using. I must show you the hosting parameters first. So if we go to the site health, I'll show you the information, and in the server information, this is the parameters. I'm using Apache web server. PHP version is latest one. The PHP S API is light speed. These are variables like maximum input variables, PHP time limit and the memory limit and all such things. And I'm using the CURL version 8.7.1, which can be considered as the latest one. And if we talk about the hosting plan, that it is cPanel based hosting plan that I always used to recommend that you should have a cPanel based hosting plan for your WordPress website. That means simply WordPress optimized hosting plan. So it is a very basic hosting plan, just having 2 GB of disk space, first of all, and it is running, surprisingly, you can find it is running 4 WordPress websites. These are some instances. This is all test instances, but this hosting is running 4 WordPress website, and even with the 4 website, it is just consuming 55% of disk space. So this is the level of optimization that I am doing and that we are using at our iCreate programs. And the memory is just 1 GB in this hosting plan. So these are 2 main factors: the disk space, the memory, and the bandwidth is just 10 GB what has been provided by the hosting provider. And this hosting plan comes in under 1,000 rupees. Yes. So if promotion is going on, you can get this plan under 1,000 rupees. However, you can compare from other hostings. I'm telling what I got, and you can also avail the same at WP Themes website. Okay, so the site health is very clear. I simply cleared which hosting that I am using, and now I'm going to install the theme. The installation of theme is going to be super simple as always. So we can go to the theme section, click on add a new theme. Here we need to upload the installable theme file, that is Shoptimizer. You'll get the theme pack through the official website. I'm clicking on install now after selecting the Shoptimizer.zip file. I'll show you the exact speed. Clicked, installed within 3 seconds. Okay, so you might be thinking, what is the internet speed I am using? I'll also show you that. So I'm using our internet speed plan that is giving me 290 Mbps. So it is a plan of 300 Mbps and I'm getting 290. So this is a very good speed internet plan. So you can calculate all those things that I am using and I am showing. So you can interpret your environment according to this. So theme has been installed successfully, and we can go to the theme page just to show you. So Shoptimizer is here. We can simply activate this Shoptimizer, and upon activation we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. So thanks for choosing the Shoptimizer. You can read these hints and how to get most out of this theme. So get started with Shoptimizer is here. And we have all the steps, theme options, view Shoptimizer documentation, and some details about how we can proceed. But I'm going to install the indicated plugins. Shoptimizer uses very limited number of plugins. This is being one of the main reason of being this theme super fast. So it uses Kirki as the framework. The Commerce Gurus Commerce Kit is here for bringing most of the inherent feature of the theme. Elementor is the page builder. So this question can be written as, which is the most fastest and user-friendly Elementor WordPress theme for WooCommerce. So it can cover this question as well. So now I'm coming back. Elementor is the page builder. One-click demo import is here, and WooCommerce is of course here since we are creating an e-commerce website. I'm selecting all these plugins. We'll select install, click on apply. Let us see how much time it takes again. 5 plugins is being installed. All the environment I have shared with you, and it is taking around 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 15, 16, and around 20 seconds. 5 plugins installed successfully within 20 seconds. So roughly I calculated on the screen itself, and all plugins have been installed and all green marks can be seen here. And I'm coming back, and now we'll select all again to activate all the installed plugins. activate all the installed plugins. So this is very simple procedure that I'm showing you in every video. All plugins have been installed, activated as well with the set of theme. Now we can come back to the dashboard. Welcome to Elementor. Coming back to the dashboard, we are here. Now the theme has been installed successfully with the set of plugins within just few seconds. So it took 20 seconds in installing all 5 plugins and hardly 5 seconds in installing the theme itself. So we spent only 25 seconds as of now. And I'm going to refresh this page, how our website is looking. Okay, so this is the basic look and this is the core. And we can even start creating our website from here if we don't need a demo website like this. So the next step is, of course, importing demo content, and I'm going to show you how much time it exactly takes even in demo content import. So I'll find the option, and under appearance, I can see import demo data option. And here is the Shoptimizer. I'm going to click import demo data. On the next page, we can simply click on continue and import. The demo import processes begin. And I'm not going to pause the recording because I am willing to show you the exact time it is taking. Yes, done. Hardly 15 seconds. What you are thinking? Is it the fastest? Yes. So, as in my experience, since we are installing multiple WordPress theme on daily basis, this is the fastest, at least one of the fastest WordPress theme that I have seen. So you can watch hundreds of themes overview on this channel, and this is one of the fastest, or can be maybe the fastest WordPress theme for WooCommerce. So I'm happy to see this error-free and wonderful installation steps that we covered within a minute. What is next? Visit site. Yes, it got loaded within a second. Within a second, it got loaded. So I got to check other pages. Shop now. Okay, so it is going to Shoptimizer demo itself. So we need to update these links, but these are the products. Okay, within seconds, it gets open. It's really fast and returns and exchange. So I'm willing to open some pages because about, okay, super fast. Undoubtedly, it is amazing and blazing fast. What is next? So I'll definitely show you what I got in this installation. How many pages? 12 published pages, 1 home and other supporting pages. The media, if we can check how many media items, some placeholder images, and as a total 47 media items. Wonderful. And if we are talking about the products, the demo products, of course, 10 products have been listed here for demonstration purpose, of course. All these in a minute. So what makes this Shoptimizer super fast? There is nothing like cluttered thing. There is no cluttered design. It is simple and effective in presentation and the content. And even it is offering multiple features as we discussed in the video itself, in this video itself. Okay. So there are some more things. To cart options are here and some additional information as well. So Commerce Kit is here. So let us see what this Commerce Kit is offering us. Okay, great. So it is coming from the Commerce Gurus. So the core plugin offering this order bump stat and the Ajax search option. Enable Ajax search, preloader, products, no search edit, and all such variations and all such parameters. Lighting fast results, beta, and we can enable the lighting fast results as well. Note, this option is not suitable for all stores, some servers. Okay, that is fine. But these all great options are available for Ajax search. So we don't need to use any additional plugin for providing the Ajax search at the website. And similarly, we have attribute galleries, attribute swatches. So we can enable attribute swatches as well, like button square and the fluid and the attribute swatches. We can enable the attribute swatches on the product listing pages and the attribute swatches on listing pages. So these are some attribute swatches. So we can disable it again. The countdown timers that is visible on the product page. This is the countdown timers. So, okay, so I missed that. So it is available on the website itself. Free shipping notification, order bumps. So mini cart, enable the order bump within the mini cart and enable the order bumps on the checkout page. Product bases, the product gallery that we can set like horizontal or the mobile gallery layout. Site guides we can enable. So these are advanced features that we generally add through additional plugins, but it is available inside the theme itself. And with the theme itself, enable on desktop sticky add to cart, enable on mobile, so sticky add to cart option. Stock meter is here just to show you the inventory status, wish list and wait list and wish list. Okay, great. And some settings as well, and where we can handle the most basic settings of the website. So the Shoptimizer uses the inherit customizer option of WordPress. So this is also an added advantage. It is using the inherit feature of WordPress. So in the general setting, we have the site logo where we can change the logo and all. Sticky logo, speed settings. Okay, so enable the critical CSS. We can enable this. And the load minified CSS file, yes, and icon file. So the site logo, and the speed settings, site identity, homepage settings are in the general setting. And further, we have the, and you might be wondering where I can change the site identity. And here you can update the logo as well. So site identity under site identity section. Okay. Now we have some more options, like we can handle the header color throughout the color and header, below header, navigation, general WooCommerce and the footer colors. Completely in our control, header and navigation like top bar header, mobile header, navigation, cart and below header. And some more great settings like typography. So what we need for a website, everything is available here simply. So I'm not going to repeat the things or override the things. Okay. All great settings, all simple to use. And of course, the website is using the Elementor page builder. So if we are editing the content, Elementor is here. The most favorite, most commonly used page builder. Simply open the page and click on edit with Elementor. You will be able to edit the content. So I can conclude that the Shoptimizer is one of the best options if we are looking at technically sound and super fast WooCommerce WordPress theme. And this can be used for fast loading website purpose websites. This is simple in look but effective in the functionality. So the answer is covered here. Which is the fastest and most user-friendly WordPress theme of WooCommerce? We can say the Shoptimizer is a very good option. But this is not the final answer. As I said, you have hundreds of options on this channel itself, and I am not promoting at least Shoptimizer or any other theme on this channel. So decision is always yours. I'm just willing to cover your questions through the WP Q&A series videos, and you are welcome to ask your question here directly on the live chat here. So go to the i-create.co.in, iCreate website, and the link you can get at WP Themes website itself through the video description link. And you can ask direct question on the live chat from a mentor, and I will definitely try to cover your question as well. Don't wait, it is free. Thank you.